Hello, Tom Zarinskis here, and this is a test of 20 nonsense words for phonetic spelling. It's the Group E list, and you should have listened to the 15-minute Truespel tutorial, the quick tutorial at this website. And now you're presented with a list of 20 nonsense words. I want you to write them on a piece of paper and see how you've done. Here is the first word, number 1. Veitch, veitch, veitch. 2. Betie, betie, betie. 3. Daycare, daycare, daycare. 4. Fingor, fingor, fingor. 5. Hedjuk, hedjuk, hedjuk. 6. Lumpus, lumpus, lumpus. 7. Wouth, wouth, wouth. 8. Vase, vase, vase. 9. Join, join, join. 10. Shantay, shantay, shantay. 11. Yorka, yorka, yorka. 12. Vupose, vupose, vupose. 13. Jover, jover, jover. 14. Yowa, yowa, yowa. 15. Thimsto, thimsto, thimsto. 16. Legion, legion, legion. 17. Chybud, chybud, chybud. 18. Sowshare, sowshare, sowshare. 19. Furleg, furleg, furleg. And 20. Hoygor, hoygor, hoygor. And that does it for the list of words. You should have written them down. I hope you do well. And I'm going to show the answers now. So I hope you're all done. And we shall check the answers coming right up. I shall unhide this box here. Unhide. And lots of luck. There are the words. Shall I read them again real quick? Let's see. Veitch, betie, daycare, fingor, stress last syllable, hedjuk, lumpus, wealth, vase, join, chante, yorka, vous pose, jover, yoa, thinsto, legion, chai bud, sow share, fur leg, and hoigor, all nonsense words. And I will show you the way. Let's see, first I have to delete this or hide it to show you the GH. That's this one, these two to unhide. Show you how the vowels and consonants were divvied up in terms of the number. Notice that each vowel had at least 2 instances, and each consonant had at least 2 instances. So there you have it. That is your test B of 20 words. I hope you did well. Send a summary of your mistakes to me at this email address, and I will analyze them. I'm certain that certain sounds are going to have more mistakes than others, but certain phonemes aren't so well expressed in regular traditional spelling as others. So note that you can go to truespel.com and check on Truespel. There is a converter there. Truespel is free, and the converter is free. You can take a paragraph and throw it in the converter to see Truespel phonetics. Thank you very much.